Think fast, think in English. 1 point for the correct answer. Score yourself out of 20. 1. Talk to or talk with. I want to dash dash my friend about our weekend plans. Talk to. Talk to is more common and neutral. Talk with emphasizes a two-way conversation. I want to talk to my friend about our weekend plans. 2. The smell from the garbage bin was truly dash dash. A. Odious. Odious means extremely unpleasant, repulsive, or offensive. The smell from the garbage bin was truly odious. 3. The detective was in the dash dash about the suspect's alibi. Think of the idiom in the dash dash that means to be unaware or uninformed about something. In the dark. The detective was in the dark about the suspect's alibi. 4. Can you think of a proverb that means taking care of problems promptly can prevent them from becoming bigger issues that require more effort to fix later? Jack always does his homework on time because he believes in the proverb dash dash. A stitch in time saves 9. Jack always does his homework on time because he believes in the proverb a stitch in time saves 9. 5. Talk to or talk with. The teacher likes to dash dash her students during lunch break. Talk with. The teacher likes to talk with her students during lunch break. Talk with implies a more interactive and two-way conversation with mutual exchange of ideas or communication between two or more people. 6. Tom loves dash dash insults, but he can't take one himself. Choose the correct phrasal verb. A. Dishing out. Tom loves dishing out insults, but he can't take one himself. Dish out means to give something, often criticism, punishment, or food, usually casually. 7. Discreet versus discreet. Fill the blanks with appropriate words. The discreet waiter served each course in small, discreet portions, ensuring the diner's privacy. Discreet, first discreet waiter means marked by prudence or modesty and wise self-restraint. Second discreet portions means constituting a separate entity or part. 8. Talk to or talk with. Can I dash dash you about the schedule and later we can dash dash the team members to finalize the details? Can I talk to you about the schedule and later we can talk with the team members to finalize the details? The difference between talk to and talk with we discussed earlier. 9. Can you think of a proverb that means don't destroy relationships or opportunities that you might need later? It's a warning to leave on good terms even if you're moving on because you might need help or want to return in the future. Ben argued with his boss and quit angrily. Now he regrets dash dash. Burning his bridges. Ben argued with his boss and quit angrily. Now he regrets burning his bridges. Don't burn your bridges is the proverb. 10. Sheer versus sheer. Fill the blanks with appropriate words. It took sheer strength to shear the thick wool from the giant ram. Sheer, first sheer strength is an adjective that means complete or absolute. For example, sheer joy. Second sheer the thick wool, is a verb that means to cut the wool off a sheep or to cut something with sharp tools like scissors. I hope you're keeping a score to test your English. How are you doing with your score so far? 11. Which word is not a synonym? Weak, feeble, infirm, cocky, frail. Cocky. Cocky means overly self-confident or self-assertive. 12. Which phrase is incorrect? 4. Get a trouble. Get a trouble is incorrect. The correct phrase is get into trouble or get in trouble. 13. Which phrase is incorrect? 2. Fall with is not a correct phrase. 14. Do you know the word that means able to use the right and left hand equally well? The word starts with A. Ambidextrous. Ambidextrous means able to use the right and left hand equally well. 15. Do you know the word that means a temporary lapse or deviation from normal behavior? The word starts with A. Aberration. Aberration means a temporary lapse or deviation from normal behavior. 16. Choose the correct synonym. D. Depressed. Disheartened means depressed. 17. Choose the correct synonym. C. Warm. Cordial or cordial means warm. 18. Correct the wrong word in this sentence. He tied his sunglasses with a double knot. Wrong word, sunglasses. Possible answers, shoelaces, scarf, tie. 19. Correct the wrong word in this sentence. He has a very sweet temper. He gets angry easily. Wrong word, sweet. Possible answers, short, bad, quick, fiery. 20. Do you know the idiom that means someone who is very stubborn and refuses to change beliefs or habits? Amy is a classical music fan who refuses to listen to anything modern. Dyed in the wool. Idiom is dyed in the wool. Amy is a dyed-in-the-wool classical music fan who refuses to listen to anything modern. How much did you score out of 20? Let me know in the comments. Bye for now.